pressure at all. Here's the broken hinge head latch. Just light surface rust in there. It's not cancerous rust. It's just the paint actually just, you can see, just peeled off of the primer. It's not even holding on there. And that's what it is. The entire cab is kind of just that way on in certain spots. This is the bed, the crane. What the frame looks like. Tires are great. Pumpkin. Bottom of the passenger door. There's the fiber. The fluid is that they got on the oil when they change the oil, it's dripped down on it. Yeah, and if I show you down underneath, rubber on the pan. Flip this cab open. Glass is all clean. So, hope that gives you an idea of this truck. Really, actually pretty nice shape. Very solid piece.